Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. So far, we always think that avocados are a very healthy fruit to consume because in avocados there are many nutritional content. Although there are many nutrients that are good for the body, it turns out that there are some diseases that should not eat avocados. This is because avocados can cause side effects suffered by people with certain diseases. So, it is important to know what diseases should not eat avocados to avoid harmful effects. Avocado is one of the fruits that contain many vitamins and minerals in it, such as vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin K are good for the health of the body. Although it has many vitamins, people with certain health conditions should avoid eating avocados. Here are some diseases that require sufferers not to consume avocados. 1. Digestive diseases. Diseases that should not eat avocados are diseases related to digestive problems. Digestive diseases such as gastrointestinal irritation are not allowed to consume avocados because they can make irritation worse. In addition to gastrointestinal irritation, people with ulcers and acid reflux should also not eat avocados. This fruit can cause discomfort in the stomach and cause nausea and cause stomach acid to rise easily if you consume too much. 2. Latex intolerance. Latex intolerance, or better known as latex sensitivity, is a disease in which the person is sensitive to latex. People who have this latex sensitivity are not allowed to consume avocados because they can risk shock causing shortness of breath or red rashes and itching on the skin. Therefore, latex intolerance is one of the diseases that should not eat avocados. Because there are proteins in avocados that are similar to the content in latex, so that people who experience latex intolerance can experience shock after consuming it. So if you have latex intolerance, then it's better not to eat avocados. 3. Kidney disease. People with kidney disease should avoid eating avocados. In avocados, there is a high enough potassium content that can endanger kidney health if consumed in large quantities. On average, in one avocado there is a potassium content of up to 690 milligrams. Potassium levels that are too high can cause the kidneys to not function properly. In people who do not have kidney disease, this will not be a problem. But for people who have kidney disease, of course, the performance of the kidneys that were already difficult to function will be even more difficult to work. 4. Liver disease. People who have liver disease are also not advised to eat avocados because it turns out that liver disease is one of the diseases that should not eat avocados. In some types of avocados, there is estragol and anethol content, which can damage the liver if consumed excessively by people with liver disease, especially chronic ones. Indeed, not all types of avocados have these two ingredients. One type of avocado that should not be eaten by people with liver disease is Mexican avocado. Mexican avocados have a fairly large shape. The shape can be twice as large when compared to local avocados. Because the size is quite large, this avocado is nicknamed the alligator avocado. If you suffer from these diseases, you should avoid consuming avocados because of the adverse effects that will be obtained if you consume them. Always go to the doctor to get treatment about your health. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.